Nowadays, asset revamping has become a strategic lever for industries, improving time to operate. Andy 3D, specifically designed asset revamping web platform, offers an easy and intuitive access for a large population of users from any device. Here the client is facing a loss of pressure and needs to replace a pump. The engineer first launches Andy 3D Revamping in his web browser with a secured user identification. In the library, copy your current project to guarantee the initial data and be free to play different scenarios in the copied version. Then he enters the plant's environment, hybridizing in real time the laser scan and the 3D model. The user can navigate between the as designed and the as operated views until defining the exact region where the pump needs to be removed and replaced. He uses the annotation feature to inform the other operators, and is also able to make a screenshot. The work zone is selected. With the Import an Object feature, the operator can upload material from shared or local libraries. Here, the pump he has chosen appears directly in the virtual plant and can be followed by the tag. With the Measure feature, the exact position of the pump is being calculated to first validate that the tubings will fit and that the electrical connections are correct. The work zone is isolated by the clipping tool to precisely define the region and the elements to virtually be extracted to put the new pump in place. The pump can be moved to its new location. It becomes red in case a clash has been detected, otherwise it remains as it is. Measures are still on. A global view may be obtained thanks to the rotation capability. After the new pump is ready, the client can refine the request by checking data such as location. The engineer can interact physically or virtually with the client to simulate different scenarios that are recorded and can be shared via a simple button. The client gives the final check directly from his mobile device. In case of a deep dive request, Andy 3D Revamping offers virtual reality features. The technician can navigate throughout the plant thanks to an immersive mode to check the changes or validate the exact location of an operation.